Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dinosol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Dinosol, the first ever dinosaur brought back from the execution by being more immortalized through on-chain tokenization. Dinosol is the most mimetic dinosaur in existence. Now that is has been brought to back extinction. It has chosen Solana as its main land to grow an army and build its community. Dinosol is stupid, retarded, and often gets in trouble due to its lack of intelligence. Dinosol is a meme coin on Solana that combines prehistoric themed humor with deflationary tokenomics centered around a frictionless dinosaur character reviewed through blockchain tokenization. Dinosol is the fundamentally a community entertainment blending meme culture with deflationary token mechanisms on Solana. While its dinosaur theme provides the project longevity may depend on whether it evolves beyond pure speculation. Can a token anchored in humor sustain engagement against never meme trends? Dinosol token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Dino token. Dino token is listed on KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.